What can you expect in the courtroom? And what is your best way of preparing for your trial? Number one, I'm going to give you 7 quick and easy tips. Number one, read your deposition transcript, know it inside and out. Have someone ask you each question and make sure that you're consistent with your testimony that you gave at your deposition. Come on, let's go. So that's tip number one. You don't want to be inconsistent with your deposition, because if you are, the defense lawyer will stand up on cross-examination and try to point out the inconsistencies and make it appear that you're lying. What a beautiful day in upstate New York, Kingston. Number two, dress nice. Don't come in a t-shirt or jeans. So wear a nice collared shirt, nice pants, anything that you'd wear to your best friend's funeral. That's what you should be wearing in court. Tip number 3, always be careful. I'm gonna show you something here. When you're walking in the courtroom and out, the jurors are watching you always. So you have to be very careful about what you do. You don't want to laugh, act like it's meaningless. Take it as seriously as you can, because the jurors are making perceptions of you all the time. If you smoke outside the courthouse, the jurors are going to think that you don't care about your health. So if you're a smoker, quit. Very negative perception of smokers by jurors. Tip number 4, don't be late to court. Always show up at least 15 or 20 minutes early. It looks really bad if the judge is there, the jury's there, and you're not. So come early. When the judge and the jurors come into the courtroom, stand up as a sign of respect. Until they sit down, you should stay standing. Tip number 5, when you testify, the most important tip I can give you is make eye contact with the jurors. Very few people do that. So what they'll do is they'll have their hand on their face like this. Their hands are folded like this. Don't do any of that. Put your hands right here on your knees like this. Look up, turn your chair physically facing the jurors, and make eye contact. Smile, be nice. Eye contact is so critical. When you're thinking, don't look up or look down, look straight ahead. Eye contact conveys honesty. Whereas if you're looking away or your hand is over your face, that conveys that you're hiding something. Next tip, always convey stories. When you have something that you want to share about how the injuries have affected your life, think of 3 stories that convey how your life has changed. And ideally, there'd be 3 stories before your injury and 3 stories after your injury. Jurors will always remember stories, but they won't remember anything else that you say. So storytelling is so critically important. And most importantly, when you're around your attorney, just be aware the jurors are watching you. They want to see if you like your attorney, if you are friendly with them. So just do your best to stay around your lawyer whenever you can. Those are my tips for your courtroom success. If you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate it. If you comment, I will respond, and I'll see you next time.